The advertising industry is one of the more attractive industries for investors right now, not only because of its size. It was estimated to reach $917 billion in global revenue in 2024, but also because of the tailwind of increasing targeting abilities. Marketers that can increase the return on investment as a result of targeting specific customers that are most likely to be buying customers of the business are willing to spend more money to influence the decisions of those buyers. So, for that reason, I like the advertising industry as one to invest in for the long term. And in that regard, I'm going to highlight 5 undervalued advertising stocks you can buy today and share with you my proprietary discounted cash flow models for these 5 companies, demonstrating why I believe they are undervalued. So let's start with the giant in the advertising industry, the company that generates the most revenue from advertising in the United States and arguably worldwide, and that's Alphabet. The next company I'm going to highlight as an excellent advertising stock to buy is Pinterest. The social media company increased its total monthly active users from people in the United States and Canada, which is the most important market for advertisers. The next advertising stock I'm going to recommend is Snap. The present value of all of the free cash flow I expect Snap will generate between today and the very long run is just over $42 billion. And the weighted average cost of capital I apply to Snap is over 8.4%. That's even after I apply a 25% increase to the company's beta. The next advertising stock I'm highlighting here is Reddit. And as you notice, I recommended 3 social media companies here, Pinterest, Snap, and Reddit. And I really like the user-generated content business model. And last but not least might be a surprising addition to advertising stocks because you don't usually think of Amazon as an advertising company, but Amazon's ad revenue is approaching $100 billion annually and growing at roughly 20%, gaining market share over other rivals, other larger rivals, as of course, advertising is very attractive on Amazon's platform. They have hundreds of millions of monthly active users going onto the platform to shop, and they already have a payment method on file, and they're one click away from making a purchase. That's arguably the closest you can get to influencing the purchase decision.
Click the link below to watch the full video.